What's going on, guys? It's me again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego Killer Dome. Now, the Zoid Killer Dome is a Zoid with little Gatling guns in his claws, things like little Gatling guns. I've always wanted the figure, and I just collected money, and I couldn't really get enough money to buy the figure, so I decided to make a Lego one. So now it's time for the tutorial. Now, in order to make this Killer Dome, you'll need all of these pieces. Now, it's a little tricky to get the camera in. Anyway, so first you're gonna start with this piece. This piece is it's a 1x2. It's a 4x2, 2x4 plate or tile in red. Should look like this. And then you're gonna get this 2x2 plate circle piece in dark gray, and you're gonna place it on there. Now it should look like this. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this piece off. Well, because then I just realized, let's keep it back on. I just kind of forgot how to make him a bit. So it should look like this. Sorry if I confused you. Look like this. Then you're gonna get the same piece as here, 2x4 or 4x2 plate in red, and put it on there, just like that. Should look like this. Then you're gonna get your two 1x2 bits with spikes on the end in dark gray, and place them on here. So now, or right now, your Killer Dome should look like this. Next is for the claw pieces. Now, I already made the claw pieces because I knew I was going to forget how to make them. Well, you probably know how to make them, right? It's a 2x2 plate with the classic ball jointy bits here. Two 1x2s. And then this part, 2x2 smooth, cheesy slope piece. And you're going to need two of those. And then you're gonna place them on like this. So now you kind of got Killer Dome things. Now these are just all a quick recap of what is that of all the pieces. And then you're gonna get a big, ginormous 4x2 or 2x4 block in red. And you're going to place it on your Killer Dome like this. So now your Killer Dome should look like a domeless killer, basically. And then you're going to get these 1x2 blocks and put them on like this, or not block, kind of cube. Then now forget about this, but don't chuck it out because we're gonna need it for later. And then you're gonna get your two So you're going to get your 1x2 or 2x2 plates in red. And then you're going to get your dome. And put your two plates on the dome. Just like this. So now you finished Killer Dome's dome. Now if you don't really have this bit, what you can get is this bit. Sorry about that. You're gonna need to get this piece and then put it on there, and then now you're gonna get your block. Now I recommend just making this normal red. Well, this is all I had, so place it on, and now you kind of got a dome. But it's still a good dome. It's still a good dome. Don't be ashamed of yourself if you have this. Well, he still looks like Killer Dome. Have his legs. Yeah. Still looks pretty good. Well, I don't really need this right now. Well, don't check it out because you might need this. Now, you get this from Lego Mario Whomp's Lava Trouble set. Now I bought that just for this piece. And then you're going to place it on Killer Dome just like this. Now, it might be a little tricky because you just need to get it the right angle. Because if you look at it, it has these 1x2 plates in red. Or 2x1, 1x2. So you have to find the right side. Find the right side. And these two bits, like the two 1x2 plates in red, will go on like this. Ready? So yeah, push it on. And then, now for his claws, you twist these pieces, your claw bits up, and then you got your Killer Dome. Now, I believe the only way to use Killer Dome like properly, since it's kind of like coastal defense, you're gonna need to get your Dark Spiner, or at least your Lego Dark Spiner. Now, if I make a Lego Dark Spiner, this is gonna be the top, and they're gonna be purple spikes. Remove them, and then what I'm gonna do is sorry if the camera wobbled. Wobbly. And also you get these bits from the Mario set, the Boomer Barrage. I recommend just using one. The Boomer Barrage. And then there's a bit you need. It's like a 2x2 like jumper platey bit. Right now, I do not have that right now. Oh, sorry, I didn't have the bit right now because I packed away my Lego and right now I don't have any. Well, here's just a quick piece. It's kind of like this piece, but not upside down, though. It's like this bit, what's a better example? I think it could be here. Sorry if the camera falls down. Aha! So then you're gonna place it on here, just like this, and then your Killer Dome will go on this, and then now you can turn them. Now I'm gonna put Killer Dome on something just to show you. Oops. Looks like his legs came off. Now these are his legs, so don't be worried when the leg comes off. Really? Okay. Well, get this bit on properly. Then get the killer diamond, place him on here. Now you can turn him. Now if this is unconnected dark spine, you can just turn him on like that. Pretty cool. So now that the video is done, make sure to like and subscribe, and also put a positive comment on this video, and even maybe share it with your friends or something. So yeah, bye. And also watch out for the Dark Spiner video, because I believe I'm gonna make one soon, and then I'm gonna get the killer dome and put him on there. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, bye.